Most of us become very terrified from interviews, especially if it is your first job. And there are many questions will come to your mind. How good I am to apply for this job? What the questions will look like? How will be my body language and facial expressions in the interview? And so on. Or you have finished your interview. And you got rejected. But you don't know why you were rejected. No one give you any feedback about your performance. Here's the solution. Hiry is an application that helps interviewee to practice and mock interviews. It provides the complete technical interview practice you need to improve your knowledge, hone your interviewing skills, and be able to perform under pressure in a real job interview. It allows the interviewee to know his or her performance in the interview through processing his or her technical answers, voice, and facial emotions. And now, we will see the approaches used in the app. First, face detection module. We used a classical machine learning approach with Hawk as a feature engineering, and we achieved a fast detection using it. Second, facial expression recognition module. We used a deep learning approach. We used residual model and depth-wise separable convolution. It lesser in parameters and computational time. Third, speech-to-text module. We used the ready-made one of Google API. Fourth, text similarity module. One of the challenges of this module is the lack of data. So, we collect the data for similar answers and non-similar answers, and used it to train the model. And we use transfer learning by BERT Transformer. Finally, the voice analysis module. We have used classical machine learning. From the audio data we have extracted 3 keys as feature engineering, namely, MFCC, MEL spectrogram and chroma. For the learning, we have used multi-layer perceptron classifier to learn from the dataset, namely, RUBTOS dataset. And now, we will see a small demo for the interview.
Okay, hello. So this is our homepage. These the jobs we offer. Let's choose deep learning and let's start. This instruction page you should follow. And hello. Okay, let's start.
Explain the
First
following
question.
variant of gradient descent mini-batch.
Okay, so mini-batch gradient descent is a variation of stochastic gradient descent. Instead of a single training example, mini-batch of samples is used.
Explain the layer of CNN convolution.
Okay, so a convolution is the simple application of a filter to an input that results in an activation.
Explain the layer of CNN pooling.
Okay, so pooling or downsampling layer is responsible for reducing the spatial size of the activation maps.
What is an RNN?
Okay, so RNN are deep learning neural network designed for processing structured array of data such as images.
Explain the importance of LSTM.
Okay, so I don't know what LSTM is. I think it's used in maybe in the input layer or something like that. Okay, so now I'm waiting for my report. Okay, so yeah, I answered RN wrong, LSTM wrong. I was angry, and my voice is good. So, and this is my percentage. This is technical. This is facial expression, and this is voice. And thank you.